question that comes up is regarding the test series. कि एक तो the first thing is, do we really have to take test series? See, tests or test series is very important for the sake of giving the civil service exam. Why this is so? Because it is a national level exam, there's a lot of competition, and आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि आपका क्या standard है in your preparation. You have to know where you stand, and that only test could tell you. Simple test if you're giving at a personal level, it will tell you कि how much you are prepared for that topic, आप कितना समझ चुके हैं उस particular topic को. अगर आप कोई टेस्ट सीरीज़ लेते हैं जो ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे आपको इवेलुएट करती है, जज करती है, then you will be able to understand that what is your standard at the national level if you're taking such kind of a test series. In any case, writing tests or giving or subscribing for test series is very important. That's one thing. Now moving on to the part ki when to start, when do we take a test series or when do we start doing tests. Now in some of my videos, I'll again repeat what I said. See, there are two parts to this exam. One is about studying, the other is about attempting the paper. So what I did was, every single day when I was preparing, also when I was not in a position to write full length tests, I used to solve at least 5-10 questions of prelims in a day, and I used to write 1 or 2 answers for mains. Now उससे क्या होता है, आपका एक प्रैक्टिस जो होता है कि अटेम्प्ट कैसे करना है, हाउ आर यू राइटिंग द पेपर, हाउ आर यू अटेम्प्टिंग द क्वेश्चन, दैट प्रैक्टिस somehow comes naturally, that you are reading the question twice, then you are writing the answer, or you are reading the question once for the prelims and then you are reading the MCQs, how are you planning to attempt. So all of these things you will learn day by day. That thing will not happen overnight. So take your time and do that test. When it comes to the test series, I will tell you my personal experience, how I did it. So while I was preparing, I took the test series for mains from the this one, the GS Score, iscore.in is their website, GS Score is the institute. There I took the test series for mains. So that program started a year earlier, in about I think October 2017. Every Sunday there used to be a test on the static part, and so I used to write that 3-hour test every Sunday. I never in earlier cases कभी भी मैं अपना पेपर टाइम पे कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती थी, लेकिन since I was writing every Sunday, थोड़ा सा I could practice answer writing a lot, and that really helped me, I think. So that was about mains. That test series ended I think in about January, Feb. I stopped writing because I felt I should concentrate now on my prelims examination. So that was it. When it comes to then prelims again, what tests should you take and what you have to do. I took up this online program for the IS Baba, the AIPTS. I have mentioned it earlier also. I took that, and I kept giving test again whenever I found time, any one particular weekday or on Sunday I used to give those tests. Abhi, if you are sometimes I was not able to afford all the tests, I was not able to give that fees. So if that is happening with you, you can just contact the photocopiers in Delhi. They'll give you the photocopy delivered at your doorstep. You have to pay them a small amount for the test copies, and whatever tests are going on in Delhi, they'll deliver you. So that is an affordable way to reach out to those tests. But in any ways, you have to take tests. That is really important in whatever form you take. If you take the photocopy, it will just be a little delayed, but it will be available. So you can go through the test in that manner. And all in all, giving test is very important, because when you give tests, you are able to understand the format of the exam. आप उतना वक्त देते हैं, उतने वक्त बैठते हैं, थोड़ा एक simulation effect भी हो जाता है. So for essay also I took the test series at Vision, and you can find my copies there. And for sociology I took at Vision. So ऐसे करके मैंने कहीं कहीं से जितना भी जहाँ से मुझे अच्छा लगा, I took the test series. And tests really help us. This topic was about tests, and I'll say yes, it's important, you should be taking it.